As a country that is often involved in military conflicts, Israel must be equipped with capable weapons and a combat fleet. One of Israel's most prominent military industries is Israel Aircraft Industries, or IAI. This is a military company that focuses on aerospace development, including fighter aircraft. Citing from various sources, here are 3 original Israeli-made advanced fighter aircraft in use today. Israel Aircraft Industries, KFIR. KFIR is the first advanced fighter aircraft that Israel has been able to produce. This aircraft, which was first introduced in 1975, is a multi-role aircraft capable of facing all weather conditions. This aircraft is equipped with a sophisticated radar system with HOTAS-based operation, has precise navigation, is capable of refueling in the air, accurate shooting capabilities, and others. Currently, the KFIR fighter aircraft operates as a frontline fighter, as well as being used as an aggressor aircraft for pilot training in the United States. Israel Aircraft Industries, Nesher. Israel Aircraft Industries, Nesher is Israel's next advanced fighter aircraft. Basically, this aircraft is a Mirage 5J fighter aircraft originating from France. However, because France imposed an embargo on Israel in 1968, Israel then secretly paid for 50 Mirage 5J aircraft. Israel then redesigned this fighter aircraft using the latest design and manufacturing processes. At that time, finally, there was a fighter aircraft very similar to the Mirage 5J and known as the IAI Nesher. Israel Aircraft Industries, Levi. The multi-role fighter aircraft, IAI Levi, is a fighter aircraft developed in the 1980s. The first prototype of this aircraft made its maiden flight in 1986. The Levi aircraft has a delta wing with a large steerable canard at the front. The aircraft is powered by a single Pratt & Whitney engine, equipped with an afterburner. The IAI Levi's avionics are equipped with an advanced fly-by-wire system. This fighter aircraft is also equipped with a sophisticated pulse Doppler radar. Unfortunately, the project to make this fighter aircraft was stopped in 1987, apart from lack of funding. Another reason was because the features of this aircraft were still far inferior to the American F-16 fighter aircraft. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I hope you like it. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe. We hope you are always healthy and have a happy day.